In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your inbox and view sent messages on chess.com. Let's start right at the top of the chess.com page. In the main navigation bar, move your mouse to the left side where you'll see the chess.com logo, or look toward the right for the small envelope icon that represents mail. Hover your mouse over either the logo or that envelope icon. Hovering just means resting your pointer over it without clicking. When you do this, a small menu should appear, showing communication options related to your account. From that drop-down, click Messages. This opens your inbox, which is where your received messages are organized. Think of this as your home base for conversations on chess.com. If you've received messages from other players, clubs, or event organizers, you'll see them listed here. You can scroll through your messages, use search if it's available, and click any conversation to read or reply. If the page looks a little crowded, try maximizing your browser window or zooming out slightly so you can see the full layout. Now let's find your outgoing messages. Look for the area where you can start a new conversation. It's typically labeled something like Compose New Message or just Compose. Just below that Compose area, there's usually a link called Sent Items. Click Sent Items to switch your view from incoming messages to the messages you've sent. This is the place to confirm whether a note you sent actually went out, revisit what you wrote, or follow up on a conversation you started. Inside Sent Items, you'll see your messages listed by date. Click any message to open it, review the thread, and continue the conversation if needed. If you're not seeing the Sent Items link right away, scroll a bit, or look along the sidebar where messaging categories are grouped. On smaller screens, you may need to expand a menu before the link becomes visible. A couple of quick tips as you navigate. If a drop-down doesn't appear when you hover over the logo or envelope, give it a second, or move your cursor slightly to trigger the menu. If you use browser extensions that alter page layout, temporarily disable them to make sure everything displays correctly. And remember, you can always return to your main inbox by clicking Messages again or selecting the inbox category within the messaging panel. That's all there is to it. Hover over the logo or mail icon, click Messages to open your inbox, and then select Sent Items to see everything you've sent. Thanks for watching and happy messaging on chess.com.